In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate an Elementor site smoothly and efficiently using the all-in-one WP Migration plugin. Migrating a WordPress site can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can move your site seamlessly from one server to another without any hiccups. So, let's dive right into the process. First, we need to focus on our current or source site. Head over to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard and click on Add New. In the search bar, type in All-in-One WP Migration. Once you find it, go ahead and install this plugin. It's a powerful and comprehensive migration tool that will make moving your site a breeze. With the plugin installed, we'll initiate the export process. Navigate to the All-in-One WP Migration section, located conveniently in your dashboard menu, and select Export. You'll notice an option labeled Export to. Click on this and then choose File. The plugin will compile all the data from your WordPress site into a single .to-WPress file. Once it's ready, download this file to your computer. This file is the core of your site, containing everything necessary for the transfer. Now, let's turn our attention to the new server where you want to host your site. Start by using your new hosting panel to install a fresh WordPress site. This step ensures that you have a clean slate to work with. Having a fresh WordPress installation will prevent any conflict with existing data, providing a seamless transition. Once your new WordPress setup is ready, it's time to install the all-in-one WP Migration plugin on this new site as well. Go through the same process. Head to the Plugins section, click on Add New, search for All-in-One WP Migration, and install it. This ensures both your source and destination sites are equipped with the necessary tools for the migration. We're now poised to import the site. In your new WordPress setup, navigate to the All-in-One WP Migration section, but this time, select Import. You'll be prompted to upload a file. Choose the WPress file you previously exported. After uploading, you may receive a prompt asking if you wish to overwrite the existing site. Click on Proceed. This step is crucial as it allows the plugin to transfer all content, settings, and design elements from your original site. As a final step, and to ensure everything functions correctly, it's essential to save the permalinks. Go to the Settings section and select Permalinks. Simply clicking. Save in this area will flush the rewrite rules, ensuring that all links on your site operate correctly. Congratulations, your Elementor site has been successfully migrated to the new server. By following these steps, you've ensured a smooth and effective transition without losing any data or functionality. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your WordPress migration needs.